Welcome to Bricksville, where LEGO vehicles build big dreams with tiny bricks. Where LEGO vehicles every day is an adventure, and every brick has a job to do. Here's Billy the Bulldozer, strong, cheerful, and always ready to clear the way. Cranky the Crane reaches for the sky, lifting bricks higher than ever before. Danny the dump truck dumps a mountain of colorful bricks with a jolly giggle. Ellie the Excavator digs deep to find the hidden golden brick. The tower's going up fast, but oh no, something's missing at the top. Found it! Ellie's golden brick sparkles with building magic. Milo the mixer swirls super strong LEGO cement sticky and sparkly. Rolly the roller smooths the way for trucks to zoom safely by. But oh no, a storm rolls in. Can the tower stand strong? The bricks shake and tremble. Our LEGO heroes must act fast. Quick thinking, Ellie digs deep to support the foundation. Billy booms into action, planting strong support beams. Cranky steadies his hook and places the magical brick just in time. With the golden brick in place, the tower sparkles and stands tall. The storm passes, and Bricksville shines under a rainbow sky. The crew cheers teamwork, and bricks save the day. Mayor Minnie awards gold medals to our construction superstars. Across Bricksville, kids build their own mini construction adventures. Now it's time for fun. Ellie and Milo make a LEGO playground. Rolly rolls out a smooth racing track for speedy LEGO zoomers. A victory parade fills the streets with laughter, music, and flying bricks. As night falls, the glowing tower watches over peaceful Bricksville. The LEGO crew rests after a job well done until the next big build.
AI TV.